I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Zahia.
Hi, I'm Alpha.
Hi, I'm Annie.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
Hi, Verify.
We are Group 5 and we are filming our documentary video at Taman Botani Negara Shah Alam.
These are the animals that were taken care of by Taman Botani. In biology, animals are classified under core data.
Yeah, it is.
For this documentary, we would like to take camel as our main core data animal.
Hey, do something more. Now we can see the camels are eating.
A one-hump camel's taxonomy is as follows. Camels belong to the eukaryote domain and the Animalia kingdom. Camels have backbones, which means it belongs to the Chordata phylum. They are in the class of Mammalia because they have fur and can produce milk to feed their babies, also known as calves. They fall under order Artiodactyla. Its family is Camelidae. This is because they have a small head, long neck, and slender legs. Lastly, a one-hump camel belongs to the Camelus genus and the Dromedarius species. Let's talk about the life cycle of a camel. The male and a female camel will mate. After 12 to 15 months of gestation, the female will give birth to a single calf. The calf will stay with the mother until they reach maturity, which is about 4 to 5 years. And the cycle continues. Fun fact, an average lifespan of a camel is around 40 to 50 years.
The hump of a camel is incredibly important for the camel's survival as it allows them to go through a long period of time without eating or drinking in a tough environment like a desert. Camel hump actually store rich fat that will be converted into energy when needed. The sizes of camel's hump varies depending on how much the camel eats. On such cases, they can store up to 80 pounds of energy, which is equivalent to 10 gallons of water.
What you're seeing now is a one-hump camel. There is two one-hump camel here. The camel milk is not only delicious, but it also has a lot of nutrition in it. Hi, camel. Camel milk has various
It's pooping.
The medical value of camel milk is that 1, it can inhibit virus entry due to the various protective proteins in the milk, and it has the antibiotic property as it can lower the blood sugar level in our body due to the presence of insulin in the milk. It can also treat for autism, Crohn's diseases, and it can treat allergies as it can strengthen our immune body in our system. And on the cosmetic side, it has the anti-aging effect due to the presence of collagen, vitamin C, and alpha hydroxyl acid. Moreover, the camel milk is a lactose intolerant friendly. This is because it is easily digestible and is readily metabolized by human body.
Look at it, there's any. It's eating air. It's eating me.
Oh! One. Look at it.
This is the camel. Aren't they cute? But they can be consumed by human beings, us. Exactly. But I don't suggest you guys to eat, because like, look at them. Look at them. But now they're eating together, dating. But anyways, the meat are very fulfilling. It contains a lot of minerals and essential nutrition for us. When you consume it, it has low cholesterol and also can prevent us from obesity. And it also can reduce the risk of getting cancer.
Hi guys, Zahia here. So I will be touching on angiosperms, like these. But first, what is an angiosperm? An angiosperm is a plant that produces flowers and bears their seeds in fruits, also known as flowering plants, and they belong to one of the largest and most diverse group in the world.
Here, as you can see, we have a white hibiscus, also known as Hibiscus enotianus. The plant is under the domain of Eukarya, kingdom Plantae, and phylum as Angiosperm. Moving on, its class is Magnoliopsida under the order Malvales, family Malvaceae, and genus is Hibiscus. As for the species mentioned earlier, Hibiscus enotianus. These plants are large and showy flowering plants. More than 100 species found that are used throughout the world. Its usual height range is around 5 to 6 feet, where tropical hibiscus can go up to 15 feet, which is very, very tall. This plant is well suited to drained soils and slightly acidic environments. In general, can be seen in various colors such as red, white, purple, and orange, which in this case is white. What makes this organism an angiosperm is it's a dichotic plant that has a seed covering. The seed covering on this plant tends to be dry and hard when the plant produces fruit. It tends to be in an oval shape. So, habitat-wise, it favors in warm, temperate, and tropical regions, where here in Malaysia, it is suitable for them to grow. As you can see in the video, it is able to grow and bloom on a bright sunny day. Hibiscus, it follows a perennial or annual life cycle. It fertilizes when the pollen gets passed to the stigma, which then moves down the styles and eventually reaching the ovary.
So this hibiscus plant has many benefits to it. It extracts, has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. One of the preparations that can be made with hibiscus is actually hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, it can lower blood pressure, reduce the growth of bacteria, and even aid weight loss. Lastly, interestingly, study shows that the hibiscus can actually promote liver health and keeps your liver to work efficiently. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. We'll move on to the next category. Yay!
Habitat of the... Boleh juga zoom dia punya kulit. Have any of you guys discovered this type of organism before? This kind of organism can be discovered attached to the tree branches and glued to the wooden surfaces. The organism that I mentioned before, this is a Lanzetus betulina. As you can see, it is a sort of fungus that have a variety of appearances, including semicircular shape, a fan shape to slightly kidney shape. You can show this later.
Before you say I sit, now you say up. Nah, itu kan dia suruh kemarin. And you sit.
Oh yeah.
Hi, my name is Hannah.
Hi, my name is Irfan.
So today we're going to talk about pteridophytes. Okay, what are pteridophytes? Pteridophytes, also known as fern, allies, and vascular cryptogams. About 1 to 3 of species grows on the trunks and branches of trees, making them as an essential features in making forest community.
Alright, so next I'll be talking about the characteristics of pteridophytes. So, first of all, pteridophytes, they are a group of vascular plants, which means they reproduce through means of spores. And they have well-developed vascular tissues. They have fronds with leaves that curl inwards. So, most of the leaves that you can see on pteridophytes, they are in a circular pattern that curls inwards, like a lollipop. And the spores they produce are stored in sacs called as sporangia, which can be either homoporous or heterosporous.
So there are 4 classes in pteridophytes. The first one is Salopsida, Lycopsida, Phenopsida, and Pteropsida. And then move on to the characteristic of the Pteropsidas. well-differentiated plant body with roots, stem, and leaves. The sporophyte is either homosporous or heterosporous, where homosporous only produce one type of spores, and then the heterosporous produce two types of spores.
And then the enterocytes present are multiflagellate, and usually Pteropsida grows in terrestrial and moist and shady places. And some examples of Pteropsida are Pteris, Dryopteris, and Nephrolepis cordifolia.
Nephrolepis cordifolia thrives in most shady forests in tropical regions, exhibiting the ability to grow on shaded lower trunks and branches as climbers, while some fern species, including certain types of Nephrolepis, inhabit both soil and rock environments, while others are exclusively found in rocky habitats. Nephrolepis cordifolia belongs to the family Dryopteridaceae within the order Polypodiales, class Phelicopsida, phylum Pteridophyta, kingdom Plantae, and domain Eukarya.
The life cycle of ferns begins with spore germination, where spores transform into small, heart-shaped structures known as prothallus. During the gametophyte phase, these prothallus generate both male and female gametes, essential for reproduction. Fertilization occurs as male gametes navigate through water to reach and fertilize the female gametes on the prothallus, resulting in the formation of a zygote. This zygote then matures into sporophytes, resembling the adult fern plant with roots, stems, and fronds during the sporophyte phase. Spore dispersal is then initiated by the formation of sporangia, which releases spores. These released spores are dispersed by natural factors, restarting the fern life cycle.
Now we'll talk about some medical values of Nephrolepis cordifolia. So, Nephrolepis cordifolia is used in Indian traditional medicine as a contraceptive, diuretic, or as a treatment for other issues.
It's also used as a cure for diarrhea and also for cough and intestinal disorder, stomach ulcers, and acidity.
That's all for today.
It's a wrap! Yay!